Hey, I bought this 1600 watt PowerPlus pressure washer from Bricocash for 63 euros here in the south of France. It's a nice compact little unit that's easy to assemble and comes with everything you need, including a nice little standard size quick connect decoupler. I'm trying to remove some green algae from concrete and this baked on dead algae on ceramic. I had swept this, hosed it off, and stiff brushed it, and hosed it off again, but couldn't get it all off. Overall, it's a nice unit, and I'm pretty satisfied. Hope this is a help.